The future of personal flight has arrived. Introducing the Velocitor X-1 from Velo X Aerospace, a personal electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft designed to change how we move, how we connect, and how we experience the world. Innovation in design. With cutting-edge engineering and sleek aerodynamic design, the Velocitor X-1 combines performance, safety, and efficiency. Built with advanced composite materials and a streamlined profile, it delivers strength without compromise, performance, and capability. Capable of speeds up to 80 miles per hour, a payload capacity of 260 pounds, and flight times of up to 1 hour, the Velocitor X-1 sets a new standard for personal eVTOLs. Its hybrid manned autonomous platform makes piloting intuitive, while also paving the way for fully autonomous cargo and mission applications. Applications and future vision. From personal freedom to life-saving missions, the Velocitor X-1 is built for versatility. Civilian, commercial, and government operators will all find powerful value in its design. The sky is no longer the limit. It is your playground.